Hi, and welcome to another weekly series. We're doing Midjourney challenges with Type Dreams. I'm the founder, I'm Melissa, and as you all know, Midjourney keeps evolving all the time. So what we see in week one, by the end of the year, it's completely different. So we're trying to keep up with the pace, right, of what Midjourney is coming up with. It's currently on model 6, and it has a couple more functions like character style, character reference. It's one of the newest instructions. So this week we're going to be looking again at macro photography. We've done it before, but in this instance it's going to be with a frog. And this kind of really highlight the textures and the colors of the frog, the greenery around it, the rainforest, and so forth. So it should be very simple. You've already done this. If you want to use a different type of animal, that's fine. But let's get straight into the exercise. All right, so let's get started. We are going to do a kind of a close-up of the frog, colorful frog in a rainforest, and we'll keep it very simple for now, and see what we get. Let's see what the tool gives us at the start. Oh, that's lovely. And it's definitely a close-up. I'm gonna try macro lens at the start. Macro lens, close-up of a colorful frog in a rainforest, humid, raindrops, front view, level-eyed, macro lens. Oh, I have a D there. Okay. We want this to be award-winning. Okay, let's have a look and see what we get now. We'll wait for the tool. And this is kind of more what I was looking at. Yeah, so you see what happens with a macro lens is that it brings depth, so you have out of focus and then in focus, and it creates these levels of depth, in your picture. So I'm actually pretty happy with this. I would like to try something, with the seed number. So I'm gonna upscale number 4, this one. And I'm gonna retrieve the seed number. Remember, click on the envelope. And I want to try the same prompt. Let's re-roll this. But instead of a frog, I'm going to say tarantula. Just kind of the same size. And then we paste in the seed. And let's submit. And it should be a very similar overall composition, soft focus, the macro lens, all of that should be in place. But now we're changing the subject from a frog to a tarantula, which is a bit scary, but anyway, here we go, and we just need to wait for the application. Look, so it did exactly what we wanted. It kind of created this zoom view macro lens, so you get the soft focus, you get the actual detail, very close up, and it's front view. Definitely award-winning photography. So play around with different subjects on what you want to do, but nature is one of the best designs you can try and reproduce and learn from it. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.